icing. Ayan na sila, pakatawa silang kainin yung gin. So yan, linagyan ko sila ng chili sauce. Ito. Good morning guys. Ayan, nagdadrive na kayo papuntang Mount. Ang aga namin. Dapat 8 kami alis kaso na-late kami ng gising. 8:49 na. Kasi maaga ka kasi sobrang iinit mamaya. Ngayon mainit na, 24 degrees. Mamaya mga alas 10 sabi niyan magpo-44 degrees daw dito mamaya. Kaya sabi ni Jan kagabi, tumawag siya kung aalis ako ngayon. Dapat daw mga 7 or 8 nakaalis na ako kaso 8:49 na. Na-late kami ng gising kasi medyo late na rin ako nakatulog kagabi. So ngayon, ang agenda natin, pupunta tayo ng Coles para kumuha ng mga panghanda. Di ba last time kumuha tayo ng mga inumin? At saka, ano pa ba kinuha ko? Konti lang. Pero ngayon talaga yung mga panghanda sa birthday ni Pompal. Tapos sa Sunday, lunch ng family ni Jan. Tapos yung sa Christmas na panghanda, yun ang ating kukunin. And yeah, kanina tumawag si Pompal kasi nga kukunin ni Jan si ate kay Pompal. So maaga sila nagkita sa kung saan nag-work si Pompal. So yun ang ating agenda guys. Nag-drive lang ako papunta nun. Mainit lang dito, grabe ng init. Ano pa lang 8:50. Tapos ang init niya yung pati ang hangin, sobrang init. Kaya matindi ang init to guys ngayong araw na to. Focus muna ako mag-drive, mamaya na lang sa Coles. Coles lang siguro, punta rin ako ng Foodland kasi titingin ako kung mayroon silang malaking pork belly kasi sa Coles wala, sobrang liliit. Kami sa Mount guys, pinark ko lang yung car dito sa my Coles kasi punta muna kami dyan sa may, sa Foodland. How's the weather boys?
Good.
Sabi ni Sak, hindi raw siya makapaghintay sa 40. Joker to ang init. Ang dami na ngayong tao kasi maaga sila sipuntahan dito sa kasi nga mama sobrang init talaga kasi matinding init. Okay, wait baba, wait. See the police? Okay, go! Dito na kami sa may Foodland. Baba, here baba. Dito na kami sa may meat area. What's that, Zach? That's not blood, that's marinade. Why you got 2 t-shirts, Zach? So why you have 2? It's very hot. Ang init-init, nakadalawa siya. Yung isa raw singlet. Alisin mo na yung isa. Remove this one. Remove that one. Ang init. Hurry up. Tingnan, nakadalawa siya. Yung isa kasi sando. Bahala ka dyan. Pero marami silang buto-buto. Kuha tayo nito para sa sinigang. Ayan, ang dami $4.60. Ito, lang, $2.51. Ang dami. Wait, kuha muna ako ng buto-buto. Oy, akin na kuya. Kumuha ko ng 6 na pirasong ganitong mga buto-buto para sa sinigang. And tingnan nyo si Hola tsaka si kuya. Where's your bunny? Yeah. Okay, let's go, Sak. Bring that one back, Sak. You're strong. You said you're strong. Come on. Where's your sleeper, Holly? Tapay kami sa Foodland. Inas ko ba kung pwede nilang i-chop na smaller yung mga buto-buto kasi hindi yung kaya ng kutsilyo ko. So sabi naman, okay lang din daw. Pero into 2 lang daw. Sabi ko, it's alright. And nagtanong din ako kung may pork belly sila. Sabi niya, tingnan niya daw kung mayroon sila sa likod. Yes, kuya. Yes, I do have that one. Si Sak naman nagpabuhat kay kuya. Habang naghihintay kami dun sa pinapachop kong pork. Ito yung pork belly na nakuha ko. Kasi nga, kinuha pa nila to sa likod para i-cut. Kasi bago talaga siya. Ayan, 2 ganitong malaki ang kinuha ko. Ayan. And ayan na yung pinachop kong mga buto-buto. Ayan, ang bait ng ng butcher doon. Ayan chinap niya talaga. Tapos ayan, may 2 na tayong pork belly. Okay, let's go. Dito kami sa food court kasi gustong kumain ng mga bata ng si kuya gusto niya Wendy's, si Sak. What do you want, Sak? No, what do you want to eat?
Sushi.
And Holly, same? Okay. Tumama talaga siya, siyang pumili. And this is for Holly. Wait. And can I have aloe vera drink, please? Ayan, kain muna kami. Breakfast. Is it good? Meron si Kuyang mango. Mango smoothie. Oh. Ayan. Can you get a tissue there, Kuya, please? And si Sak merong pork and prawns. You like it? Good? And si Holly, what you have?
I only do one.
It's alright, Baba. Kasi si Sak dalawa. Pork yung sa kanya. No, you don't eat this tail na.
So I'll just eat it.
Yeah. Kain muna kami, guys. And kumuha ko nito. Bago to sa akin, masarap to. Ang kinukuha ko dito, pag kumakain kami dito, yung ano lang, yung isa, yung aloe vera lang talaga. Eto, masarap to, yung lychee nila. Bago ata to. Dito na kami sa coast and dalawang cart ang kinuha ko. Isang malit ay yung kay Kuya at saka kay Sak. And si Sak, inalis niya na rin yung kanyang t-shirt kasi sobrang init. Dinala ko kasi yung ano, yung pork na binili natin sa ano, sa Foodland kasi sobrang init na sa labas. Mag 40 na, 40 degrees. So dito muna tayo sa mga vegetables. Dami ng seafoods, oh. Kaya tayo ng capsicum. Dalawang red.
I'll take this off.
Wala silang green. Red lang ang meron. Ginger. Kailangan natin ng ginger. Baba.
Ginger.
Yeah. Say, luya.
Luya ginger.
Okay, put it here, Baba.
Gingerbread.
Thank you. Nakaupo siya dyan. Ayaw niya maglakad. Just one, Baba. Just one.
One more.
No, that's it,
The
Baba.
last one.
No, that's enough. Put it back.
I got to smell.
Yeah, it smells good. White onions. Isa niyan. Tomatoes. Wala na sila yung garlic na kinukuha ko. Yung nasa net na white. Ito na lang ang meron sila. Tsaka, ayan, oh. Pati yung green na bell pepper, wala rin sila. Red lang ang meron sila. Kuha na lang siguro ako nitong dalawa. Kasi meron pa naman ako doon. Just in case lang ba, baka kulangin. Pili tayo ng iceberg lettuce. Ito, malinis na. Okay, open it sa... Okay? Okay, put it in there. Thank you. Andun si Kuya tsaka si Ollie. Yes. Kuha na ako ng beans kanina, pero dagdagan ko kasi nga, magkakari-kari pala ako. 2 beses tayo magkakari-kari. Yan ang request ng aking phone pal. Put it there. Thank you. Sak, please. Yeah, I need one. What's that, Sak?
Oh, these two.
No, that's only one. Ah. Ang tagal naman ng aking assistant. Ako na nga. Tagal. Bilis. Kuha tayo ng spring onions. Ang ganda ng spring onions nila. Hindi ganun kalalaki. Sak, ah. Thank you.
I'll put a little bit on.
Okay, here na. Here. Ang aking mga alalay nasa likod. Kaya? Ako ng grapes. That's a lychee.
Are you allowed to eat this?
Yeah.
Do you eat it with
No, you don't eat the skin. Kuha tayo nito. Meron sila, oh.
wacky? Oh, Mom, do it.
Tayo ng green grapes. Ito seedless to. Kuya, come here, Kuya. Ah, ayan, si Sak kumuha ng plastic bag. Damihan mo na, Sak. More. Get more. Okay, come on. Thank you. Yeah. Okay? And we're gonna get red. So you have to get another bag. Put it here. Thank you. Tagol. Okay? So tayo ng red grape. Seedless din to. Yung ano nila, yung green, $8.90. Eto, $7.90 a kilo. Yes, nak. Tingnan natin kung okay yung ilan. Okay. Here, Kuya Sak. Thank you. Okay. Gusto raw ni Sak nito. Patay nito. Ha? Well, yeah. Oh, get that one. May nahulog na isa. Go get it, Kuya. Okay na.
What is this?
Lychee.
I'll do something else.
No, get it.
Nobody's shopping.
It's alright.
I'm not eating it.
Ayaw ni Sak. Hindi niya raw kakainin. Tilagay natin dito.
What is that?
Ayaw ni Sak nito, yung nahulog. Sabi ko, okay lang kasi nakaano naman yan. Babalatan pa naman. Okay. Ano to? $15.90 ang kilo niya. A kilo na ba yan?
Go into this thing.
Okay, let's go tayo ng kiwi. Sa kiwi?
Yeah, kiwi! Like,
Gusto nila ang kiwi. Come on, Sa. Ang bug boy ko. Oh. Stay there. You watch your sister. So, yung kiwi nila is $8 for $3. So, you're gonna get 8 pieces. Oh, get the a little bit soft.
it's a little bit soft.
Okay, don't press too hard. Okay, 8 of this. Come on.
Chocolate.
2,
I need
4, 5. Kasi matitigas pa yung iba eh.
Get five, Get two.
Five. How many is that? 5, 6.
7.
Is it soft? Okay. 7, 8. Okay. Si Kuya ang tagabantay kay Holly. As doon sa isang cart. Yes, Nat. Thank you. Kuha tayo ng mango. Sak, ready na.
Is that on the driveway?
Ready na si Sak. Siguro mga 4. 2,
2. I get 2.
3, 4. Okay. Tignan mo si Holly tsaka si Kuya, oh. Gagawa ko ng apple crumble sa Christmas. So, pardon?
We already have apple.
Yeah, that's for you. For you to eat. Eto, para sa Christmas to eh. This is for Christmas. Mom's gonna make apple crumble.
Father Christmas.
Yeah, kay Father Christmas daw. So, kuha tayo nitong marami. No, we need more. Yeah.
Zach.
What's going on here? What's going on here, Holly?
Say sago.
Ano?
Sago.
Sago? Kumuha ko ng 15 pieces na green apples or Granny Smith. Okay, Kuya. Careful, careful.
Where?
I know you're strong, Baba. Thank you.
I took my
What did she say?
sago.
Nasabi si Sak. Ano yan?
I have one of the same shapes inside.
Yes, but they are different fruits. This is plums, and this is apricot, and this is peach, right? Pizza, kuha kami ng ng plums. Yes. No, not the same bag.
What?
Because different price. This is peach is different price, and plums is different one. So you don't have to mix it. Hintayin lang natin si Kuya. You look pretty, Zach. Okay, you want apricot and then you want plums. Okay. Make sure it's nice and
This?
yes. Not very soft, ha? Not that soft. Not that soft, Kuya. Yeah, like this one. That one, let me see. It's so, oh yeah, no. May ano siya, may pimples. Okay, pili kayo dyan.
How many?
Get 10 pieces.
How much?
Yes, 10 pieces.
How much do I need?
10 pieces as well. How many?
7.
No, 10 pieces. Yes.
No, Philip.
Si Holly nandun. Baba, you alright? How many you have there, Zach?
7.
Okay. Yes, kuya. 8. Last one, Zach. Yeah.
10.
Okay. Slowly, okay? Yeah, you are sitting already.
The trolley.
Okay, are you done, kuya?
No.
Here, this one is alright. 3. Yes. 4, huh?
Pimples.
Yeah. I want yellow one. It's alright, this one, kuya.
Oh, that's the one we already grabbed.
Okay. This one is alright.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, not too soft, Sak, okay? Ah, you don't like. May pikas to, may pikas. Oh no, very soft. Ah, wag yan.
This one?
Yeah,
That is big. Look, there's a big one.
it's alright. How many is that, Sak? Not that soft? Okay.
I have 5.
Kuya, you've been there like too long. Punta kami doon sa ano, sa kabila kasi ayaw ni Kuya ng mga ano doon, apricot. Maraming tama raw sabi ni Kuya. Okay. Alright? You're right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll push this one. Is that the apricot one? Yep.
This one, that side.
Okay. Silang cherry. Ang konti naman nito.
This one too soft.
$13 a kilo daw. Sana matamis. Yes, that's too soft. Kuha tayo ng cherry. Minsan lang silang kakaroon ng cherry.
That's not this one.
It's alright.
What? This one?
Be gentle, ha? Be gentle.
Yeah.
What's that? That's alright, kuya. Plastic bag, please. I need a bag for this. Nasaan ka pupunta sa? Ah, meron na pala siya doon. Oh, di ba? Ano siya? Boy Scout siya.
Mom, after this, are we going?
Yeah, after her grocery.
Well, after this, are we going on?
Yeah. Ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Yung chinelas ni Olian dito. Baba, why your slipper here? Put it, this one here. Ha? Kuya, ang tagal niya makahanap ng maganda.
I only got 6.
This one is alright. Oh.
Second 8.
7, 8, 9,
No.
10. Ah, no, not that one. Okay.
9.
One more.
11.
Okay, that's it. Come on.
9, 10, 11.
Alright.
Yeah.
No, it's yeah. No, that's alright, Kuya. Come on. That's it. Come on.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Yes, Baba. Don't put your slipper. Ay. Dito lang siya. Pa tayo ng sili. Wala sila yung ano. Ah, eto pala. Yung akala ko wala silang red. Yun pala. Para sa Bicol Express. Wait, Zach. I need plastic. Plastic boy. Where's the plastic bag? Kumuha ko ng red tsaka green na chili para sa Bicol Express.
This one I want.
Come on. Punta tayo sa deli pero marami pang tao. Kuha ko ng bacon tsaka chicken wings. Yung mga ano ko, mga alalay. I know.
It's just right.
Kuha na tayo ng number. Kasi hahaba pa ito. What's up? 304. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna get fruits. Wala pa kami, guys. Hindi pa kami tinatawag. Siguro kuha na rin ako ng hipon para sa garlic prawns na spring roll. So, yan. Kuha tayo. Wala, ang daming tao, guys. Wait. Yan, andun pa, oh. Eto, mayroon na tayong prawns. Kuha din ako ng bacon. So, eto yung 2 kilos na bacon.
Mom, can I have the
Yes? No, kuya. Gusto mong umupo dyan? Hindi. No.
whole thing?
Oh, yes, yeah. Thank you. Okay. Ito yung free na fruits and then kumuha rin ako para sa kanilang snacks or breakfast. You're welcome. What's that?
It's number 7 already.
Yeah, ito yung fruits.
It's 7 o'clock right now.
No, it's not. Ano nang ginawa mo sa fruits mo, Baba? Let me see.
How did you get the on there?
Good job, Holly. Let me see, Baba.
It's a hole.
Yeah, I know. Yes, tingnan mo si Sa. You eat the ice. And ito yung 2 kilo na chicken wings.
Why not? Oh, I think this is the bin on it.
Okay, let's go. Tignan nyo yung aming cart. Nakapark dito. Kuya, do you need banana? Sak, you want banana? For breakfast? Para sa ano nila, wheat bix. Okay, give me a bag na.
Mom, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's straight on.
Okay. Ang tagal naman ng aking bag boy.
Bad boy? Not
Ba-
bad.
Bag, not bad boy. Bag boy.
Mom.
Thank you. Oh, careful. Oh, what? Oh. It's heavy.
Mom, can we get a drink?
Yes.
I'm thirsty.
Okay.
Can we choose any drink? If there's,
Yeah.
Can we get if there's apple juice?
Yes, okay. Ako ng strawberries. Nakalimutan ko. Minsan meron sila dito sa Maisel. Ito, meron sila. Ayan. Para tayo ng strawberries. Parang ang lanta naman nito. Aabot pa to sa ano? Ayak. Hindi to aabot ng ano, Tuesday or Sunday. Ang pangit. Huwag na lang. Hoy, bilisan nyo. No running sa... Si kuya na-stuck dun. Come on, kuya. Hurry up. Na-stuck na dun si kuya. Here, kuya. Hey, come on. Kung ano naman nakikita nyo dyan. Come on. That's for girl. Come on. Kuha ko ng ano, pang roast beef. Kasi si Jan gusto niya mag roast beef sa 25. So, kuha tayo ng...
Mate room, stock collection and assisted checkouts, please, mate room.
Ito yung ano nila. Ito yung malaki na pang roast beef. Ayan, oh. So, ito na lang ang kunin ko. Para mag-roast si Jan. And kuha ako ng ano, oxtail para sa kare-kare. Ito ang number 1 request ni Phone Pal. Ay, kuya, come here. You're too far.
Where are they?
Gusto niya raw to sa birthday at saka sa Christmas. So, damihan natin ang oxtail. Come on, kuya. Meron ako doon na 2.
Sorry.
3, 4. Wala, inubos ko na 6 lahat. Wala na, oh. 6. Okay, come on. Dito ako sa my meat area. Naghanap ako ng pork belly. Diba nung pagpunta ko dito, ng isang araw, nung kumuha ko ng mga drinks, ang pork belly nila ay maliliit. Tingnan nyo ngayon, ang pork belly nila, meron silang, eto, oh. Ang laki. Malaki pa dun sa nakuha ko sa Foodland. Ayan. So, kukunin ko to. Etong isang buong pork belly talaga siya, oh. Ang haba. Ang haba niya, oh. So, yung napili ko dun sa, sa Foodland, gagawin ko na lang siya ng, afritada or mechado at saka Bicol Express. So, kunin natin to. Ito, ang ganda niya, oh. Ang ganda niya, lechon belly. Okay, come on.
Where are we going?
Um,
Can we buy some ice cream?
yeah, we're gonna get ice cream later. What's that for? Akin na, Baba. Akin na yung battery.
We lost that first
Baba, here.
and we found the second.
Okay.
We found the second one with no battery.
Okay, kumuha sila ng battery para sa remote. Si Holly naman yung nagpo-push. Come on, be careful. Go, kuya, go. Straight. Go straight, kuya.
That's in what?
Okay, go, Holly. See, I told you, you can. Be careful. Pa tayo ng mayonnaise kasi magmamacaroni salad ako. Yan. 4. That's not tartar sauce.
We get some fish. We don't get anything.
Kasi gusto nila, pag kumakain silang isda, gusto nila tartar sauce yung dinidip nilang sauce. No, that's ranch. Wait. Hindi na pa kami hanap na hanap doon. Nandito pala yung tartar sauce, oh. Here, kuya. Sa... No, you don't have to. Ako nito kasi naubusan ako ng pepper steak. Where are you, kuya? Ha?
Pancakes.
No, we don't need that now. But we still have at home. Nakikita yung si Zach. Natatay na raw siya. Sabi ko, paano? Come on. Kuya. Kanina ko sinasabi sa'yo, konti na lang. Wait lang. Come on, hurry up. Tingnan nyo na sila. Come on. Are you gonna eat that Fruit Loops? Okay. Siya naman lagi. I wanna hold. No, you, yeah, you're strong enough. No, that's it. We only need one. Kuya, just get the unicorn, not this one.
Wait,
Yeah, that one. Okay, nanalo si Holly. It's alright. We can always get.
It's just like this.
I know, but
It's just bigger.
yes, it's alright. Binalik nila. Okay, kuha tayo ng cheddar cheese. We need cheddar cheese. Ito yung para sa atin to, di ba? Yung Eden cheese. And, okay, akin, I know. And, ano pa? Kuha din tayo ng, meron na akong peanut butter na mayroong nuts. Kuha tayo ng creamy. Ito yung sa akin, crunchy pala. So, kailangan ko ng, yung, ano, smooth. Creamy nga, creamy. Nasaan ka ba? Butter creamy. Ha, ito smooth. Ayan.
Showing it up. Mom, we have lots of peanut butter at home.
Yeah, but that one with crunch with peanuts. So
Yeah, and dark roast is just the same as that. I don't wanna hold.
do we have this?
Mom, it's that, but dark roast is just a bit more darker than that.
I know, but that one has.
And we do have that at home. No one uses it.
Are you sure?
Mama.
Are you sure, ha? Oh, mayroon daw kami. For my cooking. Mayroon daw sabi ni Kuya.
Mom, she's the best.
Yeah.
I don't wanna hold it.
Alright. Oh, ayaw niya nang hawakan yung battery. Si Unicorn nang hawakan niya. Kuha din tayo nito. Ito yung cream cheese spread. Yes?
Nutella.
Why?
I like Nutella.
Just a small one.
Oh, can we get the Christmas one?
No, just a small one.
This is
Okay.
only the small.
Okay. Kasi pag malaki, tumitigas eh. Okay, come on.
Oh no, the small ones are off the top.
Okay, get the smaller one. Yes, because... Yeah, okay. That's the same, Kuya. That's the same. Yeah, just get this one.
No, that's what. No, we're going to this one.
Alright. Ayun ni Kuya ng sobrang lit. Okay. Holly, come on, Baba. Nag-aagawan sila. Sak, this is yours. Tayo dito kasi nakalimutan kong kumuha ng elbow noodles para sa macaroni salad. Andito yun, sabi ni Kuya. Dumaan na tayo dun ha. Kasi kung, kaso kanina ko lang naisip na gagawa ko ng macaroni salad. Nung pagkuha ko ng mayonnaise. Come on, Howie! Andun yung, yan sila. Elbow noodles. Ayan. Yes, Baba. But we need this. But not that one. I need the other. Gusto ko yung isang brand. Nasaan kaya yun? No, not that one, Baba. Eto, nandito pa siya sa pinakataas. Ayan. Kuya. And kuha tayo ng Parmesan cheese para sa Parmesan chicken.
I got more.
Ay, come on, hoy. Itong dalawa. Ay, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, yeah, okay, come on.
I'll do it funny.
No, no, no. Let's go, let's go.
Mom, push me. Video funny.
Okay, let's go. Kuha tayo ng sesame oil. Kuya, ang layo mo sa akin, kuya. Yes? Naubusan na ako ng glutinous rice. So, kuha tayo ng glutinous rice.
Is it Scott or Scat?
Scott. Kumuha na ako ng coconut cream nung isang araw, pero feeling ko lang naman. Baka kulangin ako. Ay, sorry na. Patayin ng coconut cream ulit. It's too hot in the car now, and you're not allowed to be in the car without me. Patay ng, eto ba, coconut cream. Patay ng 2. Kasi meron na rin ako dun. Just in case lang bang kulangin ako. Eh, magsasara pa naman sila sa 25. Ay, syempre kasi Christmas. Kuya, come here. Dito. Sultanas para sa macaroni salad. Okay, Baba, hold this one. Okay. Put in the cart. Labas kami kasi si Sushi. Did you say? Dito tayo sa Baker's dito. Ang init dito. Yan yung mga Hi. Merry Christmas! Ayan, na-chop ko na yung pork belly.